Dear students, good morning to all. Today we will write an English essay on growing more trees. Trees are an essential part of the life of a man. They give us fruit to eat and firewood to burn. We use trees to build houses and make furniture. We make paper from wood. Trees help to support man's life by supplying the atmosphere with oxygen, which is essential to life. The carbon is absorbed by the trees and the oxygen is released into the air. Forests help to cool the atmosphere and the rain clouds passing through them cause rain. Trees help to protect the surface soil of the earth and to prevent floods. In view of the usefulness of trees, the government wants large number of trees to be planted all over the country. Trees are our country's wealth. It is our sacred duty to protect them and look after them well. This is all about the essay Growing More Trees. Thank you.